Hi, this is Brian Hegney, Instructor of Communication at High Point University. Okay, so what I'm going to do is show you really quickly. If you have not made a blog in Blogger yet, I'm going to show you how you make a blog in Blogger. And so it's really pretty easy. I'm going to use Google Chrome, um, and I'm just going to double-click this Google Chrome thing here. And oh, there's the window. It pulled up on my other screen. Okay, so here's Google Chrome. For a blogger blog, it might be confusing because some people's websites that you've seen go to blogspot.com. So I don't know why they do that to confuse people, but they do. So I'm going to type in www.blogger.com. There we go. Now, here I actually have a blog right now, so when I go to Blogger, I see all that stuff. But let's just pretend that I don't have one. I'm just going to log out for a second. Sign out. Okay. Is that going to work? Now when I go to blogger.com, all right, here we go. We see this screen here. Now, if you've never created a blog, you click this button. Oh, and hey, look at this. So I'm going to choose my name, right? Obviously. And I'm going to edit my password. Now it's going to log me in. Okay, now because I clicked that button to create a new blog, it's actually going to pop right up to the create a new blog thing. If you just signed in when you got to that first page, cancel. I'm going to sign out and kind of show you again. Right, if you click the sign in button and you signed in, it'll take you to your blog page, right? So those are the two differences, the main differences. I am going to, in either case, it really doesn't matter. What I want to do, if you are on your blog page, or if you did it the first way I did it and you're at that window waiting for me to get to that window as well, that's fine. If you're here, you signed in, and you have a blog already, I don't want you to use your old blog for my class. That would be ridiculous. You're going to want to create a new blog, and you do that through this little drop-down button, the name of your blog over here on the top left, and I'm going to scroll down here, and way at the bottom is new blog, okay? And I'm going to click new blog, and now I'm back at that little interface here. Okay, here are a couple things to note. The title of your blog can be written in any way possible. You can have any special characters. It's like the title of your book, the title, no, it's just going to be written in text, right? So I could call this Hegney's, and notice there's an apostrophe, sample blog. I can even put the number sign, number 274.5. Let's try that. Yeah, I can do that. And the apostrophe is fine. The number sign is fine. The decimal point is fine. Now, if I were to do that same thing here in the address, it's not going to work. I'm going to type in Hegney's. Oh, look at that. The apostrophe is not valid. Why? Because that's the URL. That is the web address. There are very specific standards for web addresses. No apostrophes. Take that out. Sample. And let's even try to do a space. No spaces either. It's a web address. Web addresses don't have spaces, people. Sample, blog, number. Look at that. No number signs. Or pound signs, or what do you call them? Hashtags, right? Nothing like that. Okay, it's a special character. 274.5. No, that is also not supported. Okay, so just so you know, 275. Now it's giving me this little option here. This is where it gets confusing. .blogspot. Why they didn't choose .blogger.com, I'm not sure. Well, no, I kind of do know why, but I'm not going to get into it. In any case, that's the, you have to click that little thing, I've noticed. If you don't click it, it kind of screws things up. So let's click that when I'm ready. it's going to check to see if it's available, and it's available. Okay, so that's the important step number 2. The main point is understanding the difference between the title and the address. The address is what you're going to put on your business card, or what you're going to link to from LinkedIn, or what you're going to paste to me if I ask for your blog address. Okay, so there's that. And now, this one doesn't matter as much right now. I can always change that. But this is your layout. And I can always change that, so let's go with a cute little kitty. And then I'm going to click the Create Blog. And when I do that, yay. It's created the blog, that's fine. No, what this window is asking for is if you want to pay for a domain. No, you don't need to do that. Alright, and now that's the first step to posting, or to creating a blog. If you haven't done it in my class, it's going to be required from now on. So just note that. Of course, there's no post, so there's a nice little easy link to create a post. We'll get to that in the next video. Alright, thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye, 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 bye.